My brothers and sisters, I want to start off by saying that Allah Almighty knows you personally. Allah Almighty knows you personally. He knows everything about you. He knows about you more than you know about yourself. You must be wondering, well, why does He make me struggle? That's a question, right? As I stood there greeting one by one those who entered this room today, many took a moment to perhaps drop in a word or two, and some had actually spoken about some of the struggles that they were going through. And rightly so, this is a motivational evening. I pray that by the time we leave this place, we're motivated to be better people and to face the challenges that are thrown in our direction in a way that we achieve blessings and positivity from them rather than negativity. Because if you are saying, why, if Allah knows me personally, does He make me go through struggles? The simple answer is, He has chosen that as a way for all the creatures from the beginning to the end. While they're on earth for a short period of time. This is a place, the earth is a place where you would actually be for a short period of time and then you're going. Everyone who's come here from our species has lived for a few decades and left, on average. So Allah knows you personally. He knows your struggles. He knows the goodness that He has bestowed upon you, and He promises that the good is more than the challenge.